This video is on the USB flash drive vending machine. Holds 24 flash drives and uses a credit card for being able to make purchases. What we do is we take a credit card and we swipe the credit card.
Please wait for confirmation.
It takes only a few seconds and it's done wirelessly and comes back and then dispenses the USB flash drive. And we're going to do it again.
Welcome. Please wait for confirmation.
Now we're going to open up the door of the machine and let you see the inside of the machine. It has 24 shelves. You can see we dispensed out from the bottom here. It's very easy to load. You can put all different size USB flash drives. You're not restricted to any particular size. Accepts Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and the money is dropped directly into your account.